juicy and round. Bananas are yellow, they never touch the ground. Oranges are orange, full of juice. Mangoes are yummy, let them loose. Grapes are tiny, green or black. Pineapples wear a spiky hat. Strawberries red with little seeds. Watermelons grow from tiny beads. Papayas are soft and orange inside. Pomegranates hide their seeds with pride. Now it's time for vegetables too. They're so healthy and good for you. Carrots are orange and crunchy to bite. Tomatoes are juicy and shiny bright. Potatoes are brown with a jacket on. Onions make you cry and then they're gone. Peas are round and tiny and green. Spinach is leafy and keeps you lean. Cabbage is round and full of crunch. Cucumbers are cool for a healthy lunch. Cauliflower is white like a snowy tree. Fruits and veggies every day help us run, jump, laugh, and play. Eat the colors of the rainbow too. They're good for me and good for you.